What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing well and hope you're all having an awesome day. So a quick update here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So by the way, we had this winner here in the priority group, one of my favorite pair. As you can see, we had nice winner and winner here as well. I'm going to talk about the trades in my weekends video, but so far a very nice week in the priority group. We took 5 trades and out of that 4 winning trades so far and 1 is still running, and with that I have taken my personal trades as well and that hit my take profit. So overall a nice and profitable week. So let's start with net gas. Right here, as you can see, the price tried to push up above 50 EMA, but it did not. This 50 EMA has been pain in the ass from last couple of months, and price wants to break and close above 50 EMA, and every time it wants to break and close above, it always falls. Now, we don't have to be in the trade all the time. We don't have to be in the thrill all the time. Only enter with a good trading opportunity. Since this trade I've sent to the members, we did not get any sort of trading opportunity. So that is why we do not have to force ourselves to be in the trade. Look for the other opportunities in the market and take your trades if you have a good reason to enter. So at this point, I'm going to give you a very quick heads up here. Now, as you can see, the price is pushing up, and this is, in case you're wondering, this is not a valid head and shoulder pattern. Not a valid pattern. I have checked that already, if you're wondering. So at this point, again, let's see tomorrow if we have a dramatic push up, break and close above 50 EMA. Do not start buying straight away. Wait for another green candle. Must close above 50 EMA. If that happens, then we have a very likely chance of an uptrend if that happens. So just wait and be patient. It's your hard-earned money and we do not want to waste this money just by entering the trades randomly. Here on currency.com, similar condition. As you can see, we can see the price has broken above 50 EMA, and if you remember our rule here, we are not gonna enter a buy trade unless and until we have another green candle, a good momentum over 50 EMA. If that happens, we are good to go long. As you can see, the price is still resisting this previous channel, so that is why that can be another retest before the price can fall again. So make sure once you have a condition, only enter your trades, and I'm here to inform you guys, give you a heads up. Once I see a condition, I will come here on YouTube and I will give you a shout that we have a good reason to enter to take your trades. So be patient and wait for that. Again, if tomorrow, as I do not upload videos on Fridays, so that is why I just want to give you a heads up. If we have another green candle open closed above 50 EMA, then I will be only looking for my buy trade, followed by a few candles pullback with a bullish engulfer. If that happens, yes, we are good to go long. Let's check crude oil. Crude oil is still bearish, not taking any buy trades or sell trades at this point. Just waiting for a condition, waiting for a few more green candles. As mentioned yesterday, we did have a pullback already, in the process of a pullback. Now wait for another few candles followed by a bullish engulfer. If that happens, we have a very likely chance the price will hit this zone below the one I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. In case you missed it, just look back my yesterday's video. So keep an eye here. If that candle, let's say, closes as a bearish engulfer, then we have a sell signal. If we have a sell signal here at 50 EMA, then we are good to go short. So keep an eye here, only taking sell trades at this point, not buying until we are above 50 EMA. Let's check silver. So silver is now pushing down and we have the major zone below, and I've already sent these zones to the members. So keep an eye on this zone. Once the price hit this zone, we are going to enter our buy trade with one of the entry condition like bullish engulfers or our double bottom entry pattern. If we have a pin bar, that is also one of my entry condition. In case you missed this zone, the zone here is 20.72, goes up to 21.00, a zone from where we are looking to enter our buy counter trade. After this nice downtrend, we can take our counter trade and a possible chance of an upside movement from here. So let's check gold. Gold is now pushing down. This is a minor support. That is why I'm not really paying attention to this area at this point, but it is a minor support and we can expect some pullback from here. This is also not an entry condition. I know this is a bearish engulfer, but if you are learning my full MMTA course, you know why it is not a valid condition. I'm still expecting a push down. So this minor zone is 1820, goes up to 1823, a very small zone. So just expect push down, retest and a fall to the major support, a support which I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. Go back and check my yesterday's video in case you missed that. So that is it for commodities, guys. Before I end this video, I want to give you a quick lesson that in trading, it is your hard-earned money and it is a very risky business. So if you are trading, make sure you have your rules there. We had this week and from last couple of weeks, we've been taking some nice badass trade in the priority group, but that doesn't mean we can have the same amount of winning trades every single week. We can have a losing streak. We had losing streak in the past in the priority group. That happens and that is a part of trading. But as long as you're managing your risk properly, as long as you have your rules there, then trust me guys, I can show you I took so many trades only once my conditions are met, and I only entered once my conditions are met. Otherwise, I just wait for a good condition. It is my hard-earned money and I do not want to just throw this money or donate this money to the markets. Be patient. Once you have a reason to enter, only then enter your trade, have your stop loss, have your take profit. The worst case scenario will be hitting your stop loss. Then that is fine. Enter the next trade. If you are under your risk, then there is no issue to take a next trade. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.